Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing this amazing recipe for a brown butter sweet potato pie. So if you want to learn how to make it, please continue to watch. So we're starting off with our sweet potatoes. As you can see, I have them ready to go in the oven, and I like to bake them because you guys, not only are they going to maintain a more rich flavor because you're not going to lose all those natural sugars, it makes them so easy to peel. So as you can see, I'm just cutting off the ends of the sweet potato, and then I'm just going to peel that skin right off. It makes it so easy. So if you can, bake your sweet potatoes. Is definitely a game changer. And one thing I cannot stand about sweet potatoes are those pesky little strings. And you guys know, either you have people that are going to put in the extra work to make sure that those strings are not in their pie, or you're going to cut into a sweet potato pie with strings, and we do not have time for that. So I'm going to show you guys a really quick and easy tip to eliminate the strings without wasting any of your sweet potato. We're going to blend them. Yes, you guys, we're going to puree our sweet potatoes. And it dawned on me one day, when people make pumpkin pie, they use pumpkin puree. Why don't we use sweet potato puree? Look at that. No wasted sweet potato. It's nice, it's creamy, and it's going to give you a texture out of this world. So now I'm going to take my mixing bowl and I'm going to add in my sweet potato puree. You want to be sure to get all of it in there. And then you want to add in your brown butter, and this is going to give you such a rich flavor. And make sure you scrape out all of those brown bits, because those brown bits are the milk solid from the butter that have been toasted, and is really going to step up your pie. And now I'm going to use my whisk, and I'm going to mix that in. And that's the beautiful thing about this pie. If you don't have a stand mixer or a hand mixer, it doesn't matter, because your sweet potatoes are pureed. You can mix all of this by hand. It's going to be so easy, so creamy, so delicious. So now we're going to add in 1 can of evaporated milk. Again, we're not going to do regular milk. We're going to do evaporated milk, because evaporated milk, a lot of that water is taken out. So this is going to give us a very rich and creamy texture. And now you want to add in your granulated sugar and your brown sugar and mix until combined. And a sweet potato pie ain't sweet potato pie without spices, so you're going to add in your cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and a little bit of ginger. And this is the perfect time to taste your batter, because there's no flour or raw egg in it, so give it a taste and adjust the sugar and the spices as needed. Now I'm adding in just a little bit of flour, about a tablespoon. And now I'm going to add in my eggs one at a time, and I'm going to mix them in until it's thoroughly combined. And you guys, that's it. This pie is so easy. And my TikTok family already knows I'm pulling out the store-bought pie crust, because don't nobody got time. But if you do have time, I will leave a recipe for pie crust from scratch in the description box below. And now I'm going to add in my sweet potato filling to the pie crust. And I'm going to pop this in the oven on 350 for 55 minutes. You'll know it's done when the crust is golden brown, and the center is going to have just a slight jiggle to it. There you have it, you guys. That is how I make my super easy brown butter sweet potato pie. I hope that you enjoy this recipe. I have so many other amazing videos coming to you this week. So I'm sending you peace, love, and joy from my kitchen to yours. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.